Hello everyone. Today, we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Squarespace to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In the terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Squarespace is a popular website builder known for its beautiful templates and design-focused approach. It provides an easy-to-use platform for creating professional-looking websites. Squarespace offers a wide range of customization options and integrations, making it suitable for businesses and individuals who want a stylish online presence. One downside of Squarespace is that it may be more complex for beginners to navigate compared to SiteRubix. In terms of pricing, Squarespace includes a personal plan for $25 per month, a business plan for $36 per month, a commerce basic plan for $40 per month, and a commerce advanced plan for $72 per month. It also provides yearly plans at discounted rates. Overall, if you want a platform that offers strong support and training for beginners, SiteRubix may be the better choice. However, if you prefer a platform with beautiful designs and more customization options, Squarespace is a good option. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between both platforms. Thank you for watching.